My fault, guess I did it all wrong. Got millions for real. Bustin' it, baby. Haters, they'll never call you. Sometimes I need someone to talk to. Sometimes life can be confusing. Good morning, guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bree. If you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support and tuning back into my channel. So today's video is gonna be a little different. What I want to do today is, of course, take down my Christmas decor since we are going into the new year. So it's out with the old and with the new. So we're gonna start with taking down my Christmas decor, my Christmas tree, and then all of the decor that I have around the house, I want to go ahead and pack that up and put it away for next Christmas. I'm one of the ones that keeps my Christmas decor up all year round, and I want to change that this year. Another thing I want to do with y'all today is kind of create my vision board. I make one each year, and I'm kind of behind schedule this year, but we're going to get it done today. I do want to chit chat with y'all as well. I haven't had time to chit chat with y'all, and I want to start doing that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. Okay, so I know I said I wanted to do a little chit chat with y'all. So the topic I really want to talk about is just what 2023 has taught me. So 2023 has taught me to move differently going forward. It has taught me to be more selfish. I know it may sound a little crazy, but the reason being is because I've noticed that the only time I hear from people is when they need something. And I'm kind of getting tired of that because we all go through our own problems. We all have things going on. And it's like nobody takes into consideration that I may have things going on. It's like they don't care. They only care what they need from me. And I'm just tired of being that person. And I hate the feeling of feeling used. Rod Wave said it best. My phone never rang to see if I'm doing fine. Could you call me if I ever cross your mind? People don't call you just to check up on you. Moving forward, I'm going to be a lot more selfish. So that means I'm going to put myself first. I'm going to start being more into myself because at the end of the day, all I have is myself. And 2023 has taught me that. And it's sad to say, like, family, not family. Like, they're the main ones that will use you and abuse you. You know, it's a two-way street. And yeah. Another thing is we have to start being okay and feeling okay telling people we don't have it. Like, I understand, like, a lot of us be wanting to help, and then you feel as though when you help people, your blessings come. Your blessings will still come, but you have to get in the habit of telling people you just don't have it. You got to get in the habit of telling people no, because that's what starts it. That's when always being there for people and always telling them yes and always giving them what they want. That's when they start getting into that habit of only coming to you at those times. So people need to learn to not only come to you when they need something, but also just, you know, check in on you. Like, the ones that help us helpers, we people to check in on us, just see how we're doing, just to feel that some people actually care about us and not just care about what we have to offer them. So that's something I'm going to change this year moving forward. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Y'all just don't know how long I've been wanting to get on camera and make these videos for y'all. Like it's something that I really want to do. It's something that I've been telling myself that I really need to get into, but I always make those excuses. Excuses, oh, my hair not done, makeup not done, I don't have the right outfit, and this and that, just all these excuses. And I'm to the point now where it's like, I'm a real person, so I'm gonna be me, the real me. I'm not gonna always have my face beat, always have, styling and profiling. I mean, I wanna get on the camera and I wanna show y'all me. And I wanna be very transparent with you all and let you know that you don't have to look your best, have on your best clothes, outfit, whatever, to get on this camera and do what you really want to do. A lot of us aspire to be content creators, and we just, you just got to pick up that camera. You just got to start filming. You just got to do what to do. Stop thinking about what people are going to say, what people are going to think about you, because you know how you look when you do dress it up. So being barefaced, like I'm barefaced Bree today. I mean, being your true self is what's gonna grab people's attention, what's gonna bring people in and actually like you for you. You don't want to paint this bad picture and have people only liking you when you're dressed up, when you have makeup on. You know, you want to be a real person. When you get up in the morning, you don't have your face beat, you don't have your hair done. You got to get up and do all of that. So when you get up and show the real you, the true you. I just really want to make relatable content. Like that is my goal. And I know a lot of us or a lot of people are not going to be able to relate to always having your face beat, always having your hair done, always having on the latest fits. So I just want to be a real person. I don't want to have this image of, in order to do this or in order to be a content creator, you have to have all these things in place. Just be you, be yourself. That's what's going to have people tuning in, liking you, subscribing to your channel, because you're a real person. They see the real you. So that's what I want to do moving forward. But in order for me to show y'all who I am, the real me, and to show y'all that my content to be real, I want my content to be raw, and I most importantly want my content to be authentic. I want people to come to my channel and say, oh yeah, she's the real deal. She don't pump fake, she don't put on, she's gonna be her true self. So that is the reason why I got on camera today, because I'm like, I gotta stop making all these excuses, because all of the excuses I was making was irrelevant. All of that stuff, you know, I can change all of that. I can go put that stuff on, but I don't want to get into a habit of having to do all that in order to shoot content, because I want to push these videos out to y'all. So if you're new here, my name is Bree. If you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support, and also go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So yeah. Well guys, that's all for now. See you next time. And make sure you have a good day on purpose. Bye.